Yo, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Kodak's back here with another video. I'm sorry because I haven't been uploading since the last video of how to download Dead Rail. Make sure to check it out, it's with multiplayer online. I'm here, back again. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset Windows 10 completely actually. But without losing any folders or files you have. But actually, there's one issue that anything is located on C, but only applications, not folders or pictures or anything. Applications only will be uninstalled. So make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful, and share it please. So let's get into it. So now guys, what are you going to do is go to Start menu, click on Settings, click on Update and Security, go to Recovery, you'll find this Reset this PC, click Get Started. From here you're going to want to click Keep My Files, or it's personal opinion, you can hit Remove Everything if you want to remove it completely, or Keep My File. So I'm not going to do it now. I've done it last night because my Windows Store was corrupted and giving me errors, and my Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge actually, it was corrupted. So I did this and everything was okay. But keep in mind, you won't lose any data, picture, videos, folders on the local disk C, but applications. You have to downloaded applications once again. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, please. I want to get to 100 subscribers. So peace out.